And little did I know, we are no longer together. And the minute we broke up, homeboy is back where he said the situation was done. Hey guys, so welcome to a new vlog. It's a Friday, so happy Friday to you. So I totally forgot about you guys. I totally forgot I was vlogging because I've been eating, I've been stuffing my face. Like, my salad is so good, I'm not gonna lie. And I think it's just the chicken, of course, gives it flavor. I think I showed you guys what I did. It's honey with vinegar. Yeah, that's, you know, and soya sauce for the sauce for the chicken, and that's all you needed, and just some lettuce and tomatoes. That's what I have. I also had boiled sweet potato in the fridge already, so I added that with it, and that's what I'm having for dinner. Carnival is literally around the corner. Trinidad Carnival is fully finished now, I think so, and I've seen all the jazz, all the vibe, everything that's going on with Trinidad. We are booked for 1 year. I need to figure out which year I can make it, but I have to. It's a must experience Trinidad. Like, that's a no-brainer. That's a no-giving. I'm a soca lover and all the above, okay? Soca lover, music, dance, that is me. By the way, I also wanted to introduce myself because we're moving. We have, you know, surpassed 2,000 subscribers. Yay! We have been on YouTube for a while, y'all, so I just wanted to reintroduce myself. I am Kerrian Honesty Thompson. I started out with Honesty Thompson initially, but I wanted to just add my government name to it so we can be a little bit more familiar with each other. And at the end of the day, if you guys see me, for my local subscribers out there who follow me and I follow them, or whatever the case is, if you see me outside, you guys know my official name, because we're trying to grow our personal brand as well. And I just thought, you know, it was just important to add my name to it. So I still want to keep all the platforms to Honesty Thompson. I think I'm gonna have to. I wanted to like add the Kerrian into it too, but I'm thinking it may be long, right? I don't know. We're gonna figure it out, but I wanna change my whole username to add the Kerrian in it as well. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep just the Honesty Thompson as a search engine, or add my first name, which is Kerrian? So it would be Kerrian Honesty Thompson. I'm like leaning towards, I want to add my name to it, you know. Like I said, it's like it's growing the personal brand for 2025. So, you know, that's what I'm trying to focus on. But yeah, so with my vlogs, oh, by the way, if you are new here, I appreciate you guys for subscribing. Like I said, I've surpassed 2,000 subscribers. So we want to be, you know, 3,000, 5,000 soon, and 10,000 and 20,000. 30K, 50K by the end of 2025. Is it possible? Of course it is possible. It's absolutely possible. Did I say impossible or possible? Anyways, it is possible. Okay guys, yeah. So yeah, so with my videos, I do mainly vlogs. I don't know, I just love vlogging. Very comfortable in vlogging, whether I'm home. Sometimes I'm not, you know, I'm a little bit shy when I go outside with the vlogging, but I try to do my best because, like I said, I mostly do vlogs. I just do daily vlogs of my life. Whenever I go out, you guys will see that. I do a little bit of lifestyle, I will call it. And, you know, I love to travel. I love to go out of town. I love staycations. I love to go to hotels, especially all inclusive. So when I do get the chance to go, I, you know, take you guys along with me and all of that. So overall, this is a channel that does everything: travel, you know, a little bit of self-care there, lifestyle, vlogs, just everything life basically. So I hope you guys love it here, and I hope you guys stay. If you have not subscribed as yet, just please go ahead and do so. So relating to what I do, of course, I am a content creator. Well, I wouldn't call myself, you know what, I know there's a difference with YouTuber and content creating, because I think with YouTubing, being a YouTuber, and I call myself a YouTuber because that's the space that I'm like safe with, and that's the space that I move. This platform is where I mostly you know, post and all of that. I do have Instagram and TikTok, so please follow me there. And yeah, with the smaller short form content, Instagram, TikTok, you know, I just believe those are like content creators, because, you know, you do short videos and, you know, you do this, you do unboxing, all of that, blah 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 blah. So I'm more towards a YouTuber, but I'm trying to grow in the space of doing content creation too. So, you know, we want to start getting brands over here. So trying to focus on that too. So I'm trying to do a balance with, you know, social media plus my YouTube. It is such a task to try to post videos over there and videos on YouTube. Trust me. I also have a 9-to-5, so I'm not a full-time YouTuber, obviously, because either way, we're not making that money over here yet. But yeah, we do have our 9-to-5. Won't speak much on that, but your girl has a 9-to-5 basically. It's definitely not in the corporate world. I am not a corporate girly. I do not see, or, you know, in the future see myself being a corporate girly, even though I went to school for business. Don't ask me why. We'll see how that works out. What else should we catch up on? What else should we catch up on? So yeah, so that's just basically the overall of my channel. And yeah, we're just staying home today, Friday. Super tired. We had a busy week today. And yeah, so remember in my last vlog I did mention I was watching Queen Charlotte and Halo. I finished those series. I think Queen Charlotte is like a limited series, so whatever is posted on Netflix, that's it. it's over with. But if you guys watch Bridgerton, I really implore you to just go ahead and check out Queen Charlotte, to just, you know, see her background and all of that. And then Halo is a pretty good show too. It's not bad. Finished with it, obviously, so tonight we need to find something else to watch. Yeah, we need to find something else to watch. And if you guys don't realize, I am such a movie type of girl. I am a series girl, so anything that's coming out I'm gonna watch. Well, I mean not to watch it at the same time it comes out, but I'm a tuning girly with movies, series, all of that. So for this year 2025, you know, we're just gonna continue to post our you know, videos on YouTube, and we're gonna put it out there, and hopefully we grow. That is the key to grow. And yeah, by the way, this light that you guys are seeing now, my light came, I purchased new lighting on Amazon, because in my previous vlog I told you guys, hey, I misplaced it, or somebody took it up at my birthday party, literally can't find it. So went ahead and purchased a new lighting. So yay me. I have an Amazon storefront, so y'all, if you like this lighting, come up closer. My face probably looking a little bit greasy, but that's okay. Yeah, you guys can click the link down in the comments, and yeah, you can see, you can go ahead and purchase the link for the lighting. But yeah, like I was saying, 2025, we're just gonna put in the work for YouTube. Like this is our safe space, and we're, you know, definitely gonna do what we need to do and create content. Sometimes I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do? Because most of the times, I know based on my videos, it seems like I go out every weekend, y'all, but trust me, it is not. That is not true at all. I do not go out every weekend, but for the past few months, you know, there's stuff that's been coming up. My other friend Sue, who is a content creator, you know, when she gets to bring her +1 to events and content creator events, she tags me along, so I appreciate her for that. So, you know, I've been going to a few content creator stuff and also free events, so that's why I was outside. But talking about that, I am going to be outside again like crazy, because Carnival is coming up. Carnival is coming up within a few weeks. We're in March right now, but the events are gonna start popping in and out, starting like closer to the middle of March and all of that. So guys, let's talk about Carnival. We should be jumping with Exodus, so yeah, that is the plan. So we're gonna wait until April to see how that goes, but fingers crossed, we're jumping with Exodus. Last year I jumped with Gen X, and you know, their band is pretty cool, but I don't think it matches with my vibe and like what had happened last year and all of that. We're not gonna get into that. They're just not my band. But Exodus, we're gonna stick with Exodus and see what Exodus is about. Yadmas 2 is my band, but you know, we're gonna figure out, we're gonna go with Exodus this year, hopefully, and see how that goes. But if you guys are going Carnival, if you guys are a soca lover, just drop it down in the comments and let me know. If you're jumping Carnival, tell me which band that you're jumping with. If you're coming into Jamaica for Carnival in April, tell me which band you guys are jumping with. If you have any questions re Carnival, reach out to me and drop it in the comments. If you guys want me to do a video on, you know, Carnival essentials, or you know, which parties you should definitely go for Carnival, drop it down below. I'll be happy to tell you, or happy to make a video for you guys. So yeah, I think I've been rambling much, but this is kind of like a chit chat type of vibe, because trust me guys, remember I haven't gone live yet, and I have been itching to go live, because I have a topic on my chest that I want to talk about, and it's the whole, and you know, funny enough, it has been on my mind, and then my friend brought it up today. Like, you know, we saw you know, Nelly, ex Miss Jackson, you know, she was doing an interview and explaining that, you know, the reason for their breakup with Nelly, she walked away thinking that space would have brought them back together, but they broke up, and then homeboy went to Ashanti. I'm like, that is real life, that is real. experience and the personal experience that I have too. Like, yo, one day we're gonna do a story time, baby. One day we're gonna do a story time. So that like whole topic and thing, like it's been burning my chest to talk about. So I don't know, maybe go live tonight, Friday. I don't know. I think, you know what, we may. What do you guys think? I don't know, but I do want to do a story time on it too. So if I do it on a live, I'm not gonna want to do it on a story time, innit? I don't know, but yeah. By the way, using your phone. Oh, the pepper. That's the jerk sauce that I added. Did you guys see I added jerk sauce to the chicken? Like, once I'm cooking meat, I just use the jerk sauce because it's so spicy. Anyways, what was it? I lost my train of thought. Oh, vlogging with your phone using the back camera, it is such a skill. I'm not gonna lie, because you know you can't really see yourself. You can't see the expression of your face. You're just there chatting away like me. So all shouts out to everyone, all the girlies, all the men. You use your phone to currently vlog right now and can't really see your face. Like, kudos to you. Kudos to you. It literally feels so awkward. And remember, you have to look directly into the lens of your phone. So it's like super awkward and I can't even see. So y'all who have a camera, like, big up. 2025, we definitely gonna be getting a camera. I know Empress, I watched her video. She's, you know, her aim is to get the DJI Pocket 3. Yeah girl. I'm still contemplating if, like, which camera I want. I know I want the Sony ZV-E10. Like, the quality is unmatched, but the price is like ridiculous, like $900, or for the full everything is like 12. Wait, it's between $800 and $900, right? And the ZV-1F is like $500, and the ZV-1 is like $600 or $700. I'm like, and the Sony ZV, the Pocket 3 is what, $700 or whatever. So I think it's within the same bracket as the ZV-1. But I don't know. I mean, the Pocket 3 is so ideal, very ideal. And you know, based on where I live in Jamaica, you know, it's good to just have not such like a big camera out there, you know, for certain reasons. It's not like we're in the US where, you know, it's kind of more accepted, or a lot of people won't judge you. Well, I know I've watched like US based vloggers, and you know, people still watch them, but you know, it's kind of like the word normal in the US and Canada and other, you know, countries that, you know, do that. But once you're in Jamaica, walking with a camera like that, like all eyes on you, and it's just so awkward. And then not a lot of people like having cameras and stuff in their face. So yeah, but I don't know, I'm like gearing towards the Sony ZV-1, but like I said, the Pocket 3 is ideal. So I don't know, it's just based on whenever I'm ready to do that, then I'll figure out which one really. But if I want to like purchase something within the next 3 months, I'm thinking to still get the ZV-1F because it's so reasonable. It's like $500, you know, so that's like doable within like a month or two. Yeah, within 2 months I can just, you know, let me just use that money and buy that. But you know, I can just save a little bit more and get the ZV-1 or the Pocket 3. But honestly, my dream camera is a ZV-E10. Yeah. Anyways, enough of that. But you know, that's our goal for 2025. We're getting a camera so I can see my face when I'm talking to you guys. Like, this is so awkward. Anyways, we're gonna finish the food, and then we're gonna come back, and I need to decide if I'm gonna go live or I'm just gonna, you know, continue on the Nelly situation. We don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see, baby. Oh my god, my chicken is cold. So we have been watching Uncharted on Netflix. It's a movie with the guy who normally plays Spider-Man. I can't remember his name. I think he's Zendaya's BF. So yeah, I've been watching that movie on Netflix so far. We're finished eating. We're having a glass of wine. And yeah, the time is 11:13. I remember I told you guys, like, I don't know, this topic is burning on my brain, so we're just gonna, talk about it right now. Yeah, so it's regarding like the whole um Nelly, Ashanti, and Miss Jackson. So if you don't know Miss Jackson, well, I've known her with Nelly as it relates to their, what's it called? They had a reality show like a couple years ago. I was like, trust me, when it comes down to reality show, guys, I watch those. I watch all the Real Housewives except Beverly Hills. I watch Potomac. I watch Atlanta. I watch Dubai. Married to Medicine, of course. So I'm like into the whole reality stuff. So a couple years back, Nelly and Miss Jackson, like they had a TV show, a reality show. So I tuned in and watched and all of that, and they have been together for years. I don't want to like quote the amount of years, but I know they have been together for a couple of years, and I always wonder why they aren't. He has not. I'm not sure if he proposed at any point in time, but I know that they're not married, right? So moving on to current year, current time, I should say. Y'all know that Nelly and Ashanti is together. So today I saw as a preview where Miss Jackson was saying, I think I spoke about this earlier in the vlog. Like, she was the one that walked away from Nelly, wanted to give him space, and the space, she was hoping that the space would have brought them back together. But little did she know, homeboy went back to Ashanti. So now let's talk about it. I know the whole social media is like so glad that Nelly and Ashanti is back together and everything, but have they even thought about Miss Jackson, how she feels? Think about it. You're in her shoes. You're with this man for so many years. The minute y'all broke up, he went back to an ex. Like, how many of you girlies can talk about personal experience with that? Have you ever experienced that? Like, for example, the same thing within her situation. As a breakup, he's got back with his ex, or you're with a man and he's saying, oh, don't worry about her. Like, no, that is done with. I will never go back to my ex. Like, you and I are together now. Or, no, we're not together. We're just friends. Has that ever like happened to you where homeboy lied? You and him together, and then the minute you broke up, he is with the girl that said you should not worry about. I'm waiting, because that shit happened to me, okay? Story time, where my ex made it seem that I was the crazy one. Okay, by the way, Pisces, we are a little bit crazy, just a tad bit crazy, but not super crazy where we're gonna bust out your windows and tires. I would do that in my brain, but I don't think I'll physically do it. I've never gotten to the point where that will happen, but I thought about it in my brain, But anyways, that's not the topic of conversation. What we are talking about is, I have been with someone for a good while, and they mention, oh no, that situation is done with, that door is closed, that is my ex, you and I are together, that door is closed. Who said that? Needy or one of them? The door is closed. I'm gonna find that thing and insert that.
You sit on your show and lie every day. Your lying ass. But we good. The door is closed. The door is closed.
So yeah, homeboy was like, no, that is closed. I am healed from that relationship. And little did I know, we are no longer together. And the minute we broke up, homeboy is back where he said the situation was done.
Why the fuck you lying?
So trust me, I know how Miss Jackson feels, and I'm sure she's like, it must be like a heavy thing to weigh on her. seeing them publicly and also still dealing with it, you know, privately of, you know, that whole thing. But trust me, you, girl, Miss Jackson, Miss Jackson, I saw the video to you. You looked still, you know, you looking hurt, girl, and that's okay. Just know he wasn't your person, and you left was a perfect decision for you. In my case, I was the one that said, hey, this is over with. And the minute that's over with, bam, homeboy went to where he said he did not belong or didn't want to be. So, you know, I think by her dealing with that publicly though, like that's supposed to be like crazy hard, because even though like that my situation has ended a while, I still think about it. I'm like, yo, he played me to make it seem like I'm the crazy person. Cause I don't know, there was just something in my spirit, y'all. There was something in my soul and my spirit, like just knew, you know what I'm saying? That was done with. And it's just, it all goes back to action, you know, action. So I think I knew deep down that this person was definitely not for me. And it was based on all actions. Don't want to get too much deep within that situation, but nor do I want to bring up the past. But whew, girl, the man. But I'm a Pisces, I'm a lover. We definitely not giving up on love over here. But yeah, that's just what I wanted to discuss about Miss Jackson, because I feel her hurt. Like, girl, I feel you. But I know that that was the best decision for me that I made at the time, and I know she may not see it now. Well, she may see it now, or I don't know what her process is. But girl, you made the right decision by walking away. Because if you did not walk away, homeboy would have stringed you along and along and along and along until, you know, you just one day just he's gone. You know what I'm saying? So men are like that, and I think it's both men and women are like that. Like sometimes you're in a situation and you know deep down that this is not your person, it's not gonna work, but just for just for friendship or companionship that you're looking for, you stick with that person even though it is definitely wrong. But yeah, but that's what I really and truly want to talk about. And y'all, I think I want to go live tonight because I'm feeling a little bit chatty. I'm gonna go live. It's definitely late to go live. It's 11:20. I don't think that's ideal to go live in it. I'm gonna try it and see who comes on. Let's see. We're gonna test. Let me wipe this camera. I don't even know how to go live. Live. What's this? Kerrian Thompson in live. How do you do this? Can you put up a picture? Oh, you can upload a thumbnail. Upload thumbnail. Oh, so I need to take a picture first. I need to take a picture. Oh my god, I think it's way too late to go live. Why didn't I thought about this earlier? Okay, so I think I want to post a thumbnail. Gonna post a thumbnail. And so sad. See how it goes. All right, so let me figure out this whole live thing and I'll be back. All right, so actually today is Friday night. It's extremely late. It's like almost 11:30 p.m. Eastern time, Jamaica time. If you're overseas, I'm on Eastern time. And I'm actually vlogging right now. So hey guys, I am literally on live. That's crazy. Okay guys, so I have been live for 54 seconds. Nobody's on. I don't even think anybody will come on because It is so late in the night, but I don't know. I feel a little bit chatty, and it's my first live ever. So anybody? Oh, I see. Like it seems like one person came in. How would you see the comments? I don't know how to work this. Oh, somebody. Oh, hi, Becky. It's literally my first time going live. Oh my god, you're the first to jump in the chat. That's so cool. So it's 11:25 p.m. I don't know why I went live this late, but like I said, I'm feeling the urge to chat, so that's why I'm live. It's the first time ever. Yeah. Congratulations to me to my first live. Drinking red wine. Oh my god, y'all. I went live. I went live just now. That was so crazy. I had a few people who came on. I remember JDD or JJD. I remember Becky. She was the first one that came in the comments. I appreciate you guys. Brady too. I had a few people who jumps in the chat. So that was so cool and pretty awesome. So thank you guys for watching my live, and thank you so much for tuning in. Becky says she was watching Delicious on Netflix, so I am actually I've been watching Uncharted, so I'm gonna finish that first, and then if I have time or I'm not feeling too sleepy, I'm gonna watch Delicious and check that out. But yeah, so it's a Friday night and we're gonna cut this video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up the video, and yeah, I'll see you next time.